Alright guys, let's give you a quick rundown of last night. Last night they cooked up the crayfish. I didn't eat any. I just went to bed.
He was too comfortable in his bed.
Yeah, just chilled out a little bit. Then this morning, woke up and literally about 6 o'clock, persons were here at the river, like swimming. And I was just like, yo, this is real Jamaican life because the river already is cold. But people come here to swim at the river and thing early in the morning. I don't know if it's because of the curfew thing and people trying to get out, especially. But people are here. Funny thing is, persons were wondering about the tent. You know, we are here in the tent and they're wondering who is it that's in the tent. Is it soldiers or whatever the case is? Well, anyway, we all came out at the same time. Persons recognized who we were, basically. You know, persons were saying, yo, this type of person with the porridge and everyone knows what. Then we were having a conversation back and forth. You know, just talking about YouTube or whatever the case is. But anyway, the guys basically are heading up to use the swing and stuff. Yo, I'm not sure I want to use the swing because it's pretty cold, yo. You see me? And I don't feel like I want to go into no wet clothes at the moment. Crayfish right out of the river, fresh.
Watch me, just follow every move. Touch me, let me know you want it too. Don't have what you need.
So the guys on to making some breakfast. I can't make no breakfast right now. I'm in a cooking mode. Facts. I want them have some fab soap. What this here? Look, steel wool.
Nature Scotch Brite.
Nature Scotch Brite. Yeah, so I'm going to use that and wash out the pan and things. So it's going to be a whole cooking vibe really quick here because you don't know where to leave. So just because of curfew and the time frames that we have right now, I really don't want to cook this dish because I've done it before already. So I'd like to see someone else's take on this particular dish. Raj over there, so I do some coconut. Coconut is tough. Yeah, this is like a nature's, what I call it, chopping block. Yeah. Crayfish them in the bag.
I want to make him try to take it up. Because this cover alone is supposed to be about £10. cover alone from the PUBG. It's about 10 pounds.
So, bad apple see some 40 ET apple from way over the next size spot where I come. So,
come like spoon out to run up in here before it.
Yeah, cause the other tree that high still, you know.
You're going up in it.
It's a super high tree.
Just a spray of ET out here, fingers crossed.
Yeah, so I see blossoms at the lower part and then fruit them up at the top. Them there, man.
Because with the ET out here now, them not red for them sweet normally. Whether them red or white.
Really?
Yeah, different apple man. And them kind of thick. Them thicker than the normal Jamaican apple. Look like a ET out here, man. A ET out here apple man. A ET out here? A regular one? Yeah. Cha.
Blossom, man.
I got there, I'm going.
I got them, man.
Alright,
No,
just reach out the tree.
Yeah. All who know about climbing tree, them know say barefoot, I best way to climb tree. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, give him a stick to go up there. It's a bad apple, I go help pick apple. Shadow.
Ready? Don't put it. Ready?
Miss.
Never reach.
Catch.
Yes,
No drop, not catch, you know. Get. Yo, better be there talk.
Successful so far. One is kind of not good. But look how black.
People them go crazy over them apple and
Ja,
love
ja.
how to eat apple.
Them say them one here a good one, them you know, but me not eat them one here. Them say one a bird eat, you're sure that one is good. But we don't stay so, we want the proper one them.
Makes sense.
Worm. It's a worm in it. Anybody in Jamaica can tell us it's worm, see? Eh? Worm.
So that one is a bad apple.
Yeah. No, this is a spoiled apple. Me is a bad apple.
Yo, spoon, what you say?
When you eat the apple,
Yeah.
when a bird bites,
Yeah.
you always know when people are chatting.
Use the slim side of it.
Yeah, so for the persons who are not really good with the patois, he's just saying, once you eat the apple that the bird bites,
Yeah.
you will know someone is like, you know, being
your
hypocritical.
name,
You know, it's talking about you behind your back. You ever eat one where I get bitten already?
Me?
Yeah.
Alright.
That's how your ears ring all the while.
So ears ever ring?
Yeah.
Yeah, and the first person who come to my mind, you know, that.
Now drop it catch, you know.
Ready?
Yeah.
Jeez, man, drop
Chop
it
out
catch.
them, man.
Drop it catch. How much you catch?
3 right on them. 3 me catch one time, but me not catch the right one.
Got a pretty nice one. I have this one. Yeah, so I'm here now talk about different texture apple. Like this are not how to eat it.
But I know the regular apple what we know.
So
The regular one them more big and fat.
really?
Yeah. The one they kind of short but sweet. Very sweet.
Drop it in the comments, guys, if you know the difference between the how to eat it and
Common apple.
oh, so have a common Jamaican apple, then you have a how to eat it.
The OT is small, short, than big, but same size like this, but they have a roundness to it.
Oh,
And it like red and white. Sometimes it's just full white, sometimes full red.
mad.
But very sweet. Like all them one here now,
Yeah.
like this. If this was Ethiopian apple, it would be very sweet. Sweeter
Okay.
than even the black one.
Wow.
Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah. Guys, check out that hillside road. I can tell you, in the night, last night, all of this mountain was like lit up. Clear. The camera, it was unfortunate the camera can't really quite catch it, but all of the mountain. So like one part of it was kind of darker, and then the top part was just like well lit, like from the moonlight or something like, well, it must be the moonlight, but it was epic, man.
And everything you can stand.
Just remember, sir, when you're up in a tree and full your belly, you gain more weight.
See you doing, man. Just on bust off it up, lose it up, clean it up. Show you.
Are you that?
Right, I'm up there.
Thick.
Texture too.
Thick.
No, you think it compact. No soft. Solid.
I have to come back around and say again, come get some more. Swear.
Master chef's spoon.
Yeah, no. I fried them macaroni.
What do you mean they are flex? That's definitely the best way you can have crayfish, like crawfish, whatever you want to call it. When it's fresh caught, like the flavor is just completely different, man. Completely different. So those crayfish that you see in the pot, they're actually an invasive species. So the ones that you saw Raj catch, the very big ones, them, right? Those are actually the ones that are native to Jamaica. It have a special name apart from alien crayfish.
No, it's just the native.
So the native crayfish definitely, which people around here call them the aliens, because they do look weird. You know, they're very big. They have these alien looking spots on them.
Last time research is like the Australian red claw crayfish, something like that.
That's the invasive one.
Yeah, the invasive one.
Yeah, so you know, we can come here, catch quite a few of them. You know, but yo, when you're catching these crayfish, please catch them under best practices, because quite recently we are here and someone poisoned the water just to catch the crayfish. Please, if anybody decides to come here and do a bit of crayfish fishing, like, just do it the regular way. There's tons of them here, a mixture of crayfish. There's some shrimp in the waters as well. So just do it responsibly. You know, you don't have to poison the water to get what you really want, right?
So we're adding the coconut juice.
Yeah, darling.
That's cool, man.
Master chef spoon.
Master chef spoon.
You can increase some fire and use it.
Yeah, man. Turn up, this is the way you turn up. With fire. Turn up the
Now to the favorite part of my cooking experience here is seeing the crayfish red. Like you know, say yo, you're just seconds away from digging in. So what you drop in the chef's spoon? I see okra, I see Irish, I see scallion, onion, pepper, thyme, carrot.
Yeah.
So you do that strong back crayfish, this a problem. Trouble. It's almost like a crayfish boil, yeah?
So we say yo, how your crayfish then come out at night time? Whole. So when you eat crayfish, how you have to go find?
Whole.
Oh.
He has found the green bananas to throw in the pot, yeah? So that's going to be interesting, boiling it down with some green bananas.
Banana tree, find me a bush or drop them.
Yeah, that vibe. Mad. So, green bananas into the pot real soon. Stay tuned. Banana drop in. Oh. But I go run it over because the man them say them have some Irish potato. I'm gonna try to drop it that. My gosh, belly full. Everything boiled on now.
The thing for it.
Chef spoon.
The thing for it.
Oh, what vibe, man. So some cinnamon crackers, yes. The cinnamon crackers in the sauce. It's really good. Alright guys, so basically had a great meal just now. We're gonna get ready to leave. It's almost 1 o'clock, so I have to go back to Portland and head to Kingston as well because of the whole, you know, curfew thing. So curfew's at 6, so need to get back by then. But it was a great day, great adventure. But these 3 things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.